Hello my lovely days. If you've clicked on this video, I'm assuming you've seen the title. What I want to ask you now is, where do you think I'm moving to? How could I be moving? Actually, I'm not moving. My cousin is moving. And you know, we're blood, we're family. So I'm helping her move. And it's going to take a 4-day trip. So I'm packing my stuff for said 4-day trip. My ride will be here at 10 o'clock. It's 9:30. So a lot of things has happened over the past, you know, couple weeks. And I mean, it's not much. Went to park with kids. Went to a birthday party with said kids. Pierced my ears. Explained how I felt these past couple weeks. Went to a car dealership. Almost got robbed at gunpoint at said car dealership. Went to a great Chinese restaurant. Got a little motivated to do stuff. Came home. Had a headache that lasted 3 days. I mean, it's not fully gone. They were blasting music up till 1 o'clock last night, so it's not fully gone. So it's still there. So there is always this one bag that I always have pre-packed with essentials, roll-on, toothpaste, toothbrush, undergarments, stuff like that. So half of the packing is done for me. I just need to put in clothes that I'm going to use, which is not going to be no fancy clothes. I mean, I'm helping them move. Why would I wear fancy clothes? Says me bringing the jeans. Some t-shirt. That's some t-shirt. For your guys' information, it's 2 plain white shirts I have. Those big baggy shirts that you always see me in, it's 2 of them I have. And I wear them 2 times for the week. I wear them every week. I mean, it's my clothes. I can wear them however much time I want. It's not like y'all giving me any other clothes to wear. I like those type of shirts. The baggy shirts. Oh, you would have met Dorito. Dorito comes on the most essential trips. He's like my voodoo dolly.
What did he say?
Spray. That cream you always put on my face. This is it. Glasses. Charger. Earphones charger. My trusty book with all my secrets. My journal. Pen for said journal. Socks. Face handkerchief. Towel. Am I leaving anything? Am I leaving anything? Earphones. Don't want to forget these. I was just gonna ask my phone, but then I remembered. I'm videoing on it. Speaking of which, I really need a camera. Like, I've realized it more and more these days. I need an actual camera. And to get a camera, I need to get a job. And while I said I wasn't motivated to get a job, I'm motivated to get a camera, which means I got to get a job. So I applied like when COVID started in 2020. I applied to because I needed an online job. I didn't want to leave the house. In 2022, yesterday as a matter of fact, I have some audacity to text me and ask if I want a job, if I'm still available. And I'm like, of course I'm still available. Desperation. Of course I'm still available. Hear the thing now? My Wi-Fi is cut. There's no Wi-Fi, none at all. No signal coming from it. None. I wish they'd contact me sooner. But, you know, no Wi-Fi, no job. Because I'm not going outside the world to go get a job. Outside is dangerous. So the day at the car mart was to initially cheer me up. A day designed for me. And we went to a driver's school after we left the car mart. So we went to a driver's school and I learned to drive a van. When we went to the restaurant, we had a talk and we talked about what we liked most and stuff like that. And I got letters. This is one. And inside this letter, I placed the other one. A red packet, it means good luck. I just called me to ask if I'm ready and I haven't finished packing up my laptop. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to do that right now. Start with my mouse. This charger is really heavy. I don't know why this charger is heavy. You see, every time it drop off of that outlet right there, like me, I wonder when it gonna crack. because it drop off very often. A breeze blow on the shirt and I push the cord that stretches to the table, and then bloops, it drop. I haven't eaten breakfast yet and I need to carry chocolate because chocolate is essential to my travels, you see. See here. The other day I washed my shoes and didn't wash my slippers. I'm like, sometimes my brain just don't be functioning right. So yes, that is all I'm going to pack. I'm just gonna fold my laptop, which is connected to the ring light, and put it in my bag. I'm here, but they're in a meeting, so I can't make too much noise.
Oh my God! Wow!
Yeah, I'm in the bathroom. I'm gonna wash my hands because, you know, germs is a thing. Not corona. Germs is a thing. If you didn't notice, the lighting up here makes me look so much better than when I'm at my auntie's house. Like, this is motivating me to get my own place. Like, I need better lighting. Meanwhile, I think this is the first time y'all officially seen my phone case. Let me know what you think about it. It's unique. I mean, it's someone that looks like me, especially when I put on my glasses. Up here's a very quiet place. I'm sort of afraid to speak. I mean, like every footstep, every whisper, you can hear from right across the room. Like, it's scary, but I like it. Well, because I like the quiet. All this whispering not gonna be good for me.
Ooh, precious food.
So yes, this is day 1 of me. When I came, we went to Trade to collect supplies for our business, and then we went to the supermarket to refurnish replenish the house of goods so we could all survive it. So now it's night time. We tried to get up the roof to, you know, really finish up the night, but the security guards don't know which key, and, you know, people aren't allowed up there. So, you know, we're just, you know, going to bed at this point. I'm going to do the movie before bed. Yeah, so day 1.